Hey, it's Gina with WTI. This time of year, I live in sweaters, and when I find one that is soft and beautiful and the perfect color, I wear it with everything. This crew neck sweater from Style Republic is 100% cashmere, and it feels so soft and amazing against your skin. It layers really well with blazers or jackets or coats. I just love how versatile a look it is, and it's such a classic style that I'm going to be able to wear it for many, many years. Now let's talk about this color. This is turquoise. It's one of my favorites. It goes with so many different things, and I just love that because I can wear it with lots of different skirts or just my jeans, and it just looks so classy and stylish. I got the size medium. It is a little loose on me. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds, and have a 36-inch bust and 29-inch waist. I prefer a little bit baggy because then I can layer underneath it and I'm not feeling constricted, and I just feel super comfortable having a little bit of extra room. I love the length of this sweater because it's long enough that I can wear it untucked and not feel frumpy, but I can also tuck it into the waist of my jeans or a skirt, and it just looks so cute. I'm obsessed with this sweater. The color is amazing. The feel of the cashmere is just luxurious and soft. I could wear it every single day. I'm so pleased with it, and I think that you will be too. And that's my point of view.